Hi everyone, my name is Keya. I'm here at the kitchens at Reynolds. I invited today Dr. Pando. This beautiful lady is going to make some chai with me today, which is one of the most, like a heartwarming treat from the land where I come from, which is Bombay. Okay, Dr. Pando, are you excited?
I am.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. We are going to make a Bombay street style cutting chai.
Oof.
Okay, so I've got some water.
You had me at
boiling
street
here.
style.
Hey, I got you. In this water, I'm adding some open tea leaves. This is where all the tea flavor is going to come from. Mm-hmm. These tea leaves also have a little bit of spice mixed into them for that nice special chai flavor. Okay, I'm gonna add a couple of spoons of this and a little bit of sugar because gotta have a sweet chai.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna show you a little secret of what I do, and we can add more sugar later on when we're ready. But whenever I use cardamom at home, I save the shells and I throw them into the water. Ooh. Because this gives it that extra cardamom flavor. That is the secret to making a cutting chai. Okay. The secrets. We're gonna stir this, and we're going to let this water come to a boil.
Okay. I can already smell it.
I mean, it's so comforting. This kind of chai, people in India will drink 4, 5, 6 times a day. There is really no limit.
Right.
Yeah.
It's kind of in Chile, where my family is from, it's our version of café con leche.
Oh,
I think every culture has its own type of
Yes.
coffee or tea drink, like the Italians have the cappuccino and the French have the café au lait.
Oh, yes.
In Chile, we have the café con leche and you have the chai.
Café con leche sounds so good.
Yes.
How do you make that?
Oh, strong coffee.
Okay, check.
Strong coffee.
All right.
Hot steamed milk.
Check.
And some sugar.
Okay.
And you put it together.
Yeah.
Café con leche.
Okay, I'm coming to your house now.
Yes.
Okay.
Every
all right.
morning I make it.
Okay.
Every morning.
That sounds like a dream. Like, I love chai, but sign me up for that.
Yes.
That sounds awesome. I love that we have this cultural thing in common, right? I was born and raised in Bombay in India, but you were born and raised here?
I was born here, but my family moved back to Chile when I was just a few months old. So I spent the bulk of my childhood in Chile. So I grew up speaking Spanish, didn't learn English until we arrived in the U.S. When I was 5 years old.
Yeah.
So I grew up with our foods, with our language, with our culture, and like you, food connects me with, I think, the best part of my identity. Or I shouldn't say the best part.
Yeah.
The most authentic part of my identity has been through food.
I love that. I do think that food is a universal connector. Like, of course, music is great and culture is great. However, everybody has to eat. So food will connect everyone.
Absolutely.
Regardless.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
absolutely. I love when driving through Richmond and I'll see like an empanada truck, like a food truck. I'm like, my people, I see you, and you see me. And it's not just Hispanics and Latinos who are enjoying the empanadas. It's everyone who's enjoying that. The same with, I was sharing with you how much we love Indian food at home, and my children love, and it's one of their top requests at home. So it really is a connector, I think.
I'm going to have to make some food for you. I think you'll enjoy it. I make some Indian food. I'm just kidding. I make some Indian food. Pretty much what I've been built on. And I have a 3-year-old daughter who is biracial. So she has got half my Indian genes and half her dad's genes. And every day I'm making food that has some Indian aspect to it, and she gets very confused because her friends are not eating mac and cheese with masala in it. They don't have.
They're just having plain mac and cheese. They don't know the magic of the masala and the macaroni and cheese.
So she's like, "Mom, like, what are you making?" I'm like, "Sorry, kid."
I feel her. I've shared with our team at the college how I had the weird lunches as a kid.
Oh my
People would
gosh.
look at my lunches.
Yeah.
They'd have the peanut butter and jelly, and I'd have some crusty sandwich that had stuff in it that no one else ate when they were 6 years old. But,
wow. I love that.
Yeah.
But what a beautiful experience that is, right? To have that difference to grow up with and to understand culture at that level. And I think it's such a gift.
Yep.
It's such a gift.
Yep.
I love
Absolutely.
that. I love that. All right. So our tea has been simmering for a good 10 minutes. This is where all the flavors are developing. We're going to throw in some milk. Okay. Because that's what makes chai. It has that latte-like texture to it. Okay, here we go. And this is going to simmer again for another 6 to 7 minutes.
Oof. that smell. Oh my gosh.
Yes, breathe it in.
That's fabulous. So, Keya.
Yes.
I know that you have been a very successful business owner in town. Everyone knows your fantastic food, your baking skills. You're the winner of the what was that called? The baking challenge.
Yep, spring baking
Spring baking challenge. Yes, on the Food Network. So we know you can throw down baking.
Yes.
But now you're expanding your business and your kind of a new direction. And I see this lovely Keya Bombay chips. How amazing is that? So can you talk to us a little bit about your journey as an entrepreneur? So, you know, you come to Reynolds, you graduate from Reynolds, you open up your own business, you get kind of celebrity status winning, and now you're expanding. No, you should. We take great pride in one of our wonderful graduates. But I'm sure that many of our students and people in our community are thinking about, how do I open up my own business? What advice, or maybe you can share a little about your path, what advice you'd give for somebody who wants to be an entrepreneur and in business for themselves? I can't wait to eat these, by the way.
Oh man, I can't wait to try them. Okay, so I have to be super honest with you, okay? My journey started at Reynolds. I remember the day I came in to sign up as a student, not knowing anything about it, not even knowing why I'm here, what am I going to do, what is wrong with me. And I signed up. I did the program for 2 years. I graduated. I was like the backbencher student, you know, like I never paid attention. I was just, I was awful. So, but I loved the food. I loved the craft, and I didn't need to read the books to know what to do. Even though I'd never even seen an oven in my entire life. Growing up in India, that is not a part of our culture. So it was all new to me. So I was a student here. A few months after I graduated, I got a call to come teach. And I'm like, do you have the wrong number? Like, how in the world are you calling me? So I'm like, okay, I guess I'll try it. I'll come teach some people, you know, it's cool. And that lasted for 9 years. Okay?
Oh my gosh.
So I owe a lot of it to Reynolds. I feel like this is my birthplace of my career. So I'm very grateful for that opportunity. So I want to tell anybody else who wants to do this to go to a good school like this, absorb everything that you can, have the love for what you're doing, because without that, really, you're going to fall so many times, but you have to get up that many times. So you fall 100 times, you get up 101 times. That is really the only secret there is to any of this. And the food business, it's competitive, it's brutal, it's hard being a woman in any business, especially a brown girl. But
amen, sister.
But I love what I do so much. It speaks for itself. And I've had all my moments of crying on the kitchen floor, of wanting to pull my hair out, of, you know, but keep going. Keep going. That is the best advice I can give you.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I always say it's the person's ability to get back up. That really, to me, is the marker of this person's going to succeed. You know, you can get straight A's on everything and get a 90 and fall down. Or you can be a solid B student and you keep going for that A. You keep trying. So, you know, keep getting back up. Absolutely. That's fantastic. Fantastic advice.
I don't think I ever bugged any of my students about their grades. You know, I'm like, look, I'll give you all A's. I don't even care. Put in the effort, you know, put in the work.
Find the thing you love. Find the thing you love. Become excellent at it.
Exactly.
And you will find a way to make a living. I truly believe that.
Nobody can ignore that. You know, nobody can ignore that.
Right.
So, yes, that is my advice. All right, I think the tea is almost ready. It's come to a beautiful simmer. It's got this gorgeous caramely color to it. I'm going to strain this. So in Bombay, or in India, I guess, we drink chai out of these glass cups. These are from my mom's pantry. And I want you to have that authentic experience. I also bought some Parle G cookies. They're glucose cookies.
Okay.
I grew up 10 minutes from where these were made every day. The whole town smelled like cookies every morning. So I wanted you to have all that fun stuff. All right, I'm going to strain the tea carefully.
I love the authentic tools.
Right? You know? That's what makes it taste better, I feel like. Okay, let's see. Hopefully I'm not going to make a hot mess of this. All right, one down. This is for you, Dr. Pando.
Thank you.
There's another one. Okay.
I wish folks
did it.
could actually smell this.
I know. When are they going to invent that?
Oh my gosh.
Smellogram. We need
Right.
smellogram. Yes, I'm going to put that to the side. Okay. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay. And then I'm going to show you how to eat these cookies with this chai also. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do a little cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mm. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
It just takes me back home.
Oh my goodness.
Right?
My goodness, my goodness.
So good. And then the way we eat these
This
cookies.
is life changing.
Oh, thank you.
This will be a regular, I don't know, the café con leche may be out
no,
the window
I'll have
and
that.
the chai tea may replace it.
I will have the cafe con leche, you have the chai.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, we'll make a deal. And then these cookies, you dink them.
Okay.
I'm going to have you dink Parle-G cookies and you...
Okay.
Right here. It doesn't get more Bombay than this right here.
I don't know about more Bombay, but it doesn't get better than this.
No,
oh my
it's
goodness.
so good. This is the life right here.
Oh.
This is the whole life we're living right now. Yeah. Oh. So good.
I don't know what's better, the smell, the taste, the combo.
It's the whole thing. This has been such a fun experience. Thank you for taking the time to come to the kitchen at Reynolds and let me show you how to make chai. I feel like I've unlocked some level of humanity here, where I'm like showing people my culture and sharing with you, and the fact that you will allow me, I'm so honored. The kitchen at Reynolds are so beautiful. You need to come check them out. You need to enroll, really. What you're missing out. You're missing out. Yeah.
So
yeah.
I'm going to say salud.
Salud, that's right.
Cheers. This is absolutely
cheers.
fantastic.
Thank
Keya, we can't be more proud of
Thank
one
you.
of our graduates.
Thank
and
you.
Thank you for inviting me. This
Oh
is
my God.
life-changing, folks. This is like café
heard-
con leche. You
heard
might
it.
have to take a side step for some chai tea in the morning.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
I'll come make it for you.